Launching your dream a website or an online store. Starting a business is exciting. You have a vision, a product, and a passion to share it with the world. But first, you need a digital home. Two popular options are Wix and Square. Both offer powerful tools to build your online presence. We'll help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your business needs. Ready to dive in? Wix is your go-to platform for building a beautiful and functional website. Its drag-and-drop interface is incredibly user-friendly. No coding skills needed. Choose from a wide variety of templates. Bloggers, photographers, restaurant owners, Wix has a template for you. Packed with features like a built-in blog, SEO tools, and a custom domain. Create a mobile-friendly version of your site. Enhance your site with hundreds of apps. Wix is your all-in-one solution for building your online presence. Wix is a global powerhouse in the website building world. It boasts over 200 million users worldwide. That's a lot of websites. Wix powers over 7.4 million premium subscribers. These users enjoy the full range of Wix's features and benefits. The platform supports over 190 million live websites. From personal blogs to large e-commerce sites, Wix is everywhere. Wix is available in over 180 countries and 18 languages. It's a truly global platform connecting businesses with audiences worldwide. Square's best known for its sleek and portable point-of-sale system. But did you know they also offer a powerful platform for building online stores? Square Online allows you to create a professional-looking storefront without any coding experience. Like Wix, Square offers a variety of templates to get you started. You can customize your store with your branding, product photos, and descriptions. Square's focus on commerce shines through in its features. Manage your inventory, track sales, and accept payments all in one place. Square also integrates seamlessly with its POS system. This makes it a great option for businesses that operate both online and offline. What are people saying about Wix and Square? User reviews gauge real-world experience. Wix is praised for ease of use. Users love the drag-and-drop interface. Square focuses on commerce, seamless POS integration, and inventory tools. Section 6 Wix versus Square pricing plans at a glance. Both Wix and Square offer a range of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Wix's plans start with a free option, which is great for trying out the platform. Paid plans offer more features and storage space. Square also has a free plan for its online store. Transaction fees apply to all plans. Premium plans offer lower transaction rates and access to advanced features like abandoned cart recovery. The best plan for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Be sure to compare the features and costs of each plan before making a decision. Section 7, Easy Breezy or Design Freedom. Wix and Square compared. Both Wix and Square prioritize ease of use. Wix's drag-and-drop interface is incredibly intuitive. You can move elements around your site with ease. Square's editor is also user-friendly. However, Wix offers more design flexibility. You have more control over the placement and customization of elements. Square's templates are more structured. This makes it easier to create a professional-looking site quickly, but it limits your design freedom. Wix also offers a wider range of templates and design features. If you're looking for ultimate creative control, Wix is the way to go. If you prioritize speed and simplicity, Square is a great option. Section 8, the final verdict. Which platform wins? So, which platform is right for you? If you're looking to build a stunning website with complete design freedom, Wix is the clear winner. Its intuitive interface, vast template library, and powerful features make it the ultimate website building tool. If your primary focus is selling online and you need robust commerce features, Square is an excellent choice. Its seamless integration with Square POS and focus on inventory management make it a perfect fit for businesses of all sizes. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your unique needs and priorities. Consider your budget, design preferences, and desired features to make the best decision for your business. Good luck building your online empire.